Have you ever run out of powdered sugar or icing sugar and the only thing on hand is granulated sugar? I'm sure this has happened to all of us. You do not need to waste your money and time to go get one from stores. I'll be showing you how you can make your own super easy powdered sugar at home. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching. Hi everyone, it's Fumi and welcome to another tutorial. Welcome to my channel. So all you need for this is just 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a strong sturdy blender. So you're just going to add your granulated sugar and your cornstarch into the blender and then you blend until smooth. So the work of the cornstarch in the recipe is this. As we all know, granulated sugar is sandy and coarse and powdered sugar is super fine that it feels almost chalky. Now, the cornstarch acts as an anti-caking agent, so it prevents the coagulation of large clumps and keep the powdered sugar smooth, free-flowing, and soft. Now you're just going to blend it until it is smooth. I can't give you how long to blend. I can say 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It all depends on the kind of blender that you have. If you have a very strong blender, then it will blend fast. Otherwise, just keep blending until you have a smooth powder. So in between two, you can just pause it, open your blender and just shake the sides. Use your spatula to just scrape the sides so everything can blend really smooth. Have you given this video a thumbs up? If you haven't, please hit the thumbs up button right now. It helps my video greatly. So I want to quickly inform you about my posting schedule, which are Mondays and Fridays. So on Mondays, I post baking tutorials every 3 p.m. GMT. And on Fridays, I post baking tricks and hacks every 5 p.m. GMT. So expect my videos on these days. And also go ahead and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I drop a new video. Thank you. So now our powdered sugar is ready, so we're going to now sift it to get our smooth, free-flowing and soft powdered sugar. So here you have it, your own homemade powdered sugar. It saves you a lot of time and stress and money. So try this hack and come back and give me your feedback. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and comment. It really helps this channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for the great support. So until next time, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy baking!